Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code and Chill. In this video, we will learn about how you can raise a pull request on GitHub. So let us start. So over here, I have a repo open named demo repo, which is just a test repo created by me. And if you see the branches, it has a main branch and a new test branch. And these are some of the two contents file. One is test.py, another is readme. And the similar it is git cloned over here in my local VS Code. If you see, there are just two files. This is similar files. And these are test contents. It has three print lines over here and two comments. So over here, we will be creating a new branch. The process of requesting, raising a pull request would be from a feature branch to main branch. You can raise pull request from any branch to any other branch, but in this video, I would like to focus mainly on the feature branch to main branch. Since main branch is where your all the important stuffs are already there, and feature branch is where you actually do one of the feature developments or some new kind of uh, bug fix and all, and then raise the PR to main branch. So this would be the process. Okay, moving forward, we have a file over here, and if we go to GitHub, and let's create a new branch for the video's purpose. Let's create a feature branch. Okay, so now we are creating a new branch from main branch. Yeah, so this is created and it is already in sync with main. So is it showing this branch is up to date with main branch? And as you can see, a new branch is created over here. And this change has also to be reflected in the VS Code. We open a terminal over here. You can also open a terminal using command prompt. I have an inbuilt terminal provided by the VS Code. We can do a git pull over here. So this git pull will fetch the latest changes on GitHub. So as you can see, there is a new branch created. So it fetched the latest information, new branch information. And if we do git branch, it will show us the new branches. Currently it's on new test branch. So we should move to the feature branch. So let us go to the feature branch, which is get checkout feature branch. So this will switch to the new branch named feature branch. So currently now we are in the feature branch. So suppose let's say your boss asked you to add few print statements, asked a bug fix and all those stuff. So in this example, we will be adding a print statement over here. So in feature branch, of demo repo. So according to us, this is a new change. It has to go into the main branch. And if you will see in the VS Code, it is already showing in the source control tab that there is some change in your local file. If you go over to test.py, it will already reflect like what all changes have been made. So we have added a new print statement over here. So it is getting reflected. This is the old file. This is a new changed file. So it's a pretty cool feature to track all your changes in the VS Code. So now we will push this change to our feature branch, which is in the GitHub. So we will again open the terminal over here. Now we will do the usual stuff of pushing the changes to GitHub, like git add dot. Git add will add your changes to the staging area, and dot means it will add all the files. So currently we just have one file, so it's fine. So it's already done. If you see over here, it's already showing stage changes and test.py. So the changes have been staged in the local GitHub. Now we'll add a commit message, git commit -m and the message made a new change. So this is our commit message, and you can see it's already a commit has been created. Now we can just push it to the GitHub, git push. So yeah, now it is pushed to the local to the remote repo. If you see, it is already tracking the changes. Like we just had a push right to the feature branch, so it's showing feature branch has a recent push 3 seconds ago. And now we will raise a pull request from feature branch to main branch. And here's this option, compare and pull request. So just click on this. Yeah, open a pull request tab open, and it is already doing most of the work for you. Like it is showing you are currently raising pull request from feature branch to the main branch. And these are the changes. We just changed a line print statement. So it's showing just one line of change. And you can add your description. You can change the commit message, the title, and you can also add reviewers. If you have multiple reviewers on your repository, and you can add some label, like whatever label you want to add is enhancement, documentation, bug fix, and all those stuffs. So these are some of the few important stuffs, and then we can simply click on create pull request. So once you do it, you can see there is in the main repo, if you go out in the pull request section, uh, a new pull request has been created and it's open. You can go inside the new pull request, and as you can see, one who is owner of the main branch, right? He can approve this pull request. Since it's the pull request made by me itself, it's I can directly merge the pull request. So once I merge it, the changed print line will be added to the main branch. So this is how you generally raise the pull request from one branch to another. There is also another way using a forked repo. Similar, it's very similar to this, and we can discuss that later. So let's merge the pull request, confirm merge. So that print line should be added in our main branch. So currently we're in the main branch. We can go to test.py. As you can see, this line got added from the feature branch to the main branch. So this is how you raise a pull request and merge the changes to the main branch. So I hope you learned a new thing in this video. And if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.